Saan tayo?
Hello mga katoto, andito naman ako. Punta kami ng Guimaras Island, Philippines. Punta pala ako sumakay kami sa Roro kasama yung aking sasakyan na si Fortuner. So samahan nyo kami, aking family to go there. Let's see anong ang itsura ng lote namin. Patoto, andito na kami sa lote namin. Ganda. Maraming trees. Pwede sila napulos na. So hopefully, we plan to have our future house of fun. Weekend. Guys, maganda rin dito sa Gursi Lighting House. Makita niyo may mga souvenirs and special products from Guimaras Island. Okay, you can see the ruins on this landmark. And pagpasok nyo, you can see the historical information about the place. So you can see the information, everything of this historical landmark. And when we came here, we saw people are doing photo shoots to see to have this background image of the ruins. So you can go here and visit. It's on Barangay Gursi, Guimaras, Philippines. Hope you enjoy the scenery along with our video and pictures. Katoto, andito na naman kami for the windmill experience here in Guimaras, Philippines. So it's a very, very vast experience of having this experience in the Philippines. So it's good. You can compete internationally.